My name's Mark Jacobs, farm in Green Bay, Wisconsin.
My name's Todd Frisch and farm in Green Bay, Wisconsin. We used the single coulter openers, and then we applied the move to the bandits to lighten up the planter and not have so much compaction. Easier, less maintenance.
Lighter. The machine's quite a bit
lighter without them. We found that with the planter drifted on the single openers, that it would burn some of the. We found that it was burning some of the corn because it was sitting on top of it. And now when the planters drift, we don't have that because it's placed up on top.
The first pass is with the Bandit, the second pass is with the wide drops. I would say very well.
It's good. It's right where it needs to be.